Prayer for back to school, students, and teachers. Today we pray for students, teachers, administrators, and ancillary staff as they prepare to head back to school. Today we also pray for those youngsters who are starting school for the very first time. They are embarking on their careers as students. Today we acknowledge that we are all students of life, and we commit ourselves to being students for life. Whether we are part-time truants in the University of Hard Knocks, or we are enrolled as full-time scholars at the infant, primary, secondary, or tertiary level, whatever institution we are in, we pray that we may come to fully appreciate the importance of education in human society. We pray for objective minds, receptive hearts, conscientious spirits. We pray for collaboration among ourselves and our peers. We pray for constructive criticism, respectful difference, due diligence, fair assessment, and quiet rewards. Today, we pray for clear intuition, precise instruction, conceptual learning, vibrant immersion, and productive participation. Today, we pray that we may reap the benefits of our investment in our education. We pray that our scholars and our schools may be fully equipped in terms of human resources, in terms of manpower, technology, and most importantly, transformational leadership. We pray that the stakeholders be fully on board with the vision and the mission of our schools. We pray for adequate funding, investment, and patronage. We pray for thoughtfulness, competence, and empathy as we construct conducive learning environments. We pray for inclusion and representation so that all students may be granted equity in the classroom. To those students who have learning disabilities and challenges, may they be adequately facilitated. Today, we remember our teachers, those stalwarts of education, our unsung heroes of the classroom. We pray that they will have discernment, patience, justice, nurturing, firmness, and compassion. We pray that our teachers will understand their sacred role as custodians of the youth, guardians of the future. In their capacity as the molders of young minds, our teachers have a crucial role. Today, we pray that all of those who are heading back to school will have all the necessary tools and equipment needed to excel.